I don't think psychedelics would ever or could ever be seen as anything close to addictive, because in order for something to have addictive potential, at least for us humans, it has to stop us from feeling. It has to take away feeling. It has to numb it, numb it, and you know, cover in this blanket of pretend euphoria. And essentially, psychedelics connect you to your feelings. They are compounds that make you feel. Anything that is going to make you feel, like actually feel, is never going to enter addictive potential. It's never going to come close to be addictive to people, because nobody wants to feel. To like actually feel, nobody wants to do that. Good luck convincing anybody who has an actual trip to ever want to fucking trip again. A trip is kind of a code word for see who and how you actually are laid on the table, bare, dissected. Who wants to see the reality of things and feel their true feelings? And like, how many people out there want to do that? It's not easy. And the scariest part is that it's challenging. Part of me in trying to, in a sense, normalize psychedelics isn't about normalizing the actual psychedelic. It's about normalizing your relationship with yourself, because that's all the psychedelics do, is they open you up to having clear communication. Where the pathways were previously blocked off, now it's like, oh, I can speak and I can hear, and I've got a feedback loop that never used to exist. It's about normalizing feelings in a culture that is numbing itself perpetually. We're addicted to opiates. What do opiates do? They numb pain. Why would you want to numb pain? What is pain? Pain is it's a feeling. Nobody wants to feel pain, love. What you gotta realize though is, in order to experience the ups, you've also gotta taste the downs and all their flavor. A lot of people just aren't interested in licking and tasting dirt. But hey, you really want to climb that high, then it's what you gotta fucking do. Ultimately, the only message I'm trying to convey with this video is psychedelics could never be close to addictive, because psychedelics make you feel. Crazy, huh? You think that a drug that really made you feel would be the most addictive of all. What does that tell you about our society?